Hey guys, this is Gabriel at MarineMax in St. Pete, and today we have an all-new trade that we're showing you, a 2023 Regal 36XO. Let's climb aboard and take a look. Here in the aft cockpit of the Regal 36XO, you'll notice twin 425 Yamahas on this boat, a reversible aft cockpit seat, so you can reverse it so that you're facing aft on those days that you are anchored out at the sandbar. Here you have ample seating aft. You have a sliding glass door that differentiates the salon from the cockpit, and then of course AC in the actual salon. We're here in the climate-controlled salon of the Regal 36XO. What I love about this area is you have tons of counter space for entertaining. Also, under these areas, you have a sink, you have an induction cooktop here, and a trash receptacle here. Below, you have a pull-out isotherm fridge, and then drawers here for storage. Across from the counter station here on the 36XO, we have a beautiful L-shaped seating. Enough seating for, I would say, 6 people. Also storage underneath the seats. And you also have the ability to put a table up here and also in your aft cockpit. Here at the helm on the Regal 36XO, you will find everything you need for a good day on the water. You'll find your Yamaha Helm Master, which actually has your joystick function. You also have your trim tabs and a phone charger as well. But underneath the captain's chair, you will have an extra fridge down below. You have twin 12-inch screens, and up top you have a retractable hardtop. Here in the bow of the 36XO, you have ample seating for 3 when you're lounging. You also have a huge windshield that will close and keep the salon climate controlled. Very large windshield wiper as well for those days of inclement weather, and you have a windlass in the front. Down below, you'll find a forward V-berth, also an entertaining section aft with a couch and a bed, and also a TV. You'll also have a countertop with a microwave down below it, and then you will have ample space for all of your goods via your closet, and also you have an adequate head on board. To your starboard side, you'll see a very large wet head in the boat with a beautiful countertop, raised sink, plenty of space to store your toiletries, and a beautiful accent wall. If you're looking for a low maintenance, outboard driven, climate controlled pocket cruiser, this might just be the one. This boat has been kept in a climate controlled wet slip for all of its life. Come and check her out.